Alright, before I make videos and reports, I would like to add one more thing in this screen. Now we know that this data is keep on adding, and this is also keep on adding if you click save. If you want to delete the database from your ignition screen, like for example, if you want to remove all the values and want to log again, so I can make a button here which is called delete database. So in this case I can show you a button. So this is a button we can use here, for example. So I will rename this to delete database. Okay, copy this one, paste here, and similarly copy paste, bring it here. So here as well, delete database. Now this is very simple. We just need to run a script. Okay, so I will open this one, go to scripting, and go to its property change, script editor. Now we know the syntax, so let me just copy the syntax, then it's quite easy. So I don't need all the values, just copy this one, cancel, delete, scripting, script editor, property change, paste. Now I just need to run the script. I don't need any arguments as well. So because this is just a simple script, so script will be delete from the table. That's it. Nothing much. This should work. So we need, okay, now but we need to delete from system. Okay, this is the table for my speed. That's okay. Apply. Okay. And let me just check it first. So I'm running. So this is deleted. Why it's deleted? I didn't put any action. Scripting, property change. Well, that's okay, but I didn't click on the button anyways. So let me just change the speed now. Oops. Where is that again? Oh yeah, here it is. So I will change the speed. And I will change the speed. And you see the values are coming based on the speed change. And I can delete these values, delete database. Delete database. Something is wrong. Let me see. It still has some values. It is not executing the script. Wait a second. Scripting. Delete from system.conveyor. And here, prep update query. That should work. Play, okay. Play. Changing the speed. So we have different speeds, and this should delete it. Let me see here. It doesn't delete. Okay, let's not have a property change. Sorry, this should be action performed, not on property change. Property change was for the tags in which values are changing. So action perform, play, and delete. Now it's deleted. Sorry about that. So we have the values coming. And if you want to delete this value on the refresh table, you can delete it. Okay, so this button we can have for other tags as well. So just to get some values here. So for example, I need this for, I will copy the script, copy, for this database, scripting, action perform, script. Now this is my table, which was that? It was my, sorry, box count, system.box count, box count count. Yeah. So this will delete my box count database. So for example here, delete, and it's gone, and I can save the database again. And one more small thing I want to share. For example, here I'm pressing the button to move the value from here to my table. Now every time I have to press the button, if I want to have a timed sequence, like at every certain time, I don't have to press the button and automatically it moves the value in the database. How I can do that? So if you see here, I just noticed we have a timer, which I never used before. We can use a timer here. So timer is here, and the timer properties is here. So it has a delay. So let's say after 10 seconds, so I will put 10,000. Initial delay is also 10 seconds. It's in millisecond, 10,000. Value step and bound. So I will keep the bound to 2. And then it has to run a script, which is the script in this button. So scripting, copy the script from here. Select this one, scripting, and here we go, property change because the timer is changing. Press the script, apply, okay. Now after every 10 seconds, this timer will be gone. The value will be moved from this value. So you will see in 10 seconds, this is 12, should be here at 22. For large, medium, and small. Should be here by now. No. Okay, let me see. Let me see the properties again. Oh, I have to enable it. Running should be true. I'm sorry. Okay, now we see it's 44 or maybe 45. And in 10 seconds, it should give us the value. So we have the value at 0.1, and let's see the next value. At 11, so you see every 10 seconds we are having a value of the boxes. You can increase the time and make it like every 1 hour or every 1 day, or I don't know, 6 hours or 5 hours. But you know you have an automatic timer, and you can use this timer for other queries as well. You can save the database of the time, not based on change of speed, but based on time. You can do that. So you can run another script with another timer. So you know you have a timer, and you can run the scripts. So we have seen save the database, delete database, insert query, and with time-based queries as well. So this is about a SCADA screen. I hope you learned a lot from this video, and I also have so many mistakes, but it's okay. People learn from mistakes. Sometimes I'm confused why things are not happening. So it's a good way when you see somebody else troubleshooting some tags or some events. So it's being pretty late now, almost midnight, and I wish you a good time, and I will just go to sleep now. So have a good time, and I will make some videos of reports in the coming days. So see you, bye.